Okay, good morning. Welcome to Student Council Representative Elections. This is just a quick instructional video to show you how to use the ballot. So each homeroom, third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade, will vote for one boy and one girl in your homeroom only. Okay, so just vote for people in your own homeroom. So the first thing you're going to get to is the main ballot window. You're going to click Next. And then you're going to find your grade. If you're in third grade, then you can go ahead and vote for whatever homeroom you need to vote for. Okay, there may be more than one option. Vote for one boy and one girl. Okay, so let's say that I'm in fifth grade or fourth grade. I'm not going to vote for anybody in third grade. I'm going to click Next until I get to my grade level. So now I'm in fourth grade. If I was in fifth grade, I'd click Next again to go on to fifth grade. Okay, so say I'm in Miss Gamboa's homeroom and this is a boy and I want to vote for that boy and I want to vote for that girl. Okay, they just say options right now because we don't have anything listed. So I'm going to click Next. I'm not in fifth grade, so I'm going to click Next again. And then I'm going to double check and make sure that I voted for one boy, one girl in my grade, in my homeroom. If I remember I did that correctly, I can click Submit. If I want to go back, I can go back. But when you're done, click Submit and then hit Submit one more time. And that's all you have to do to vote. Okay, and then you let the next person come in. And it works pretty much the same way when adults go and vote. We have a electronic voting machine and we go in and we click on people that we want to vote for and then we submit it. It works really pretty much the same way. So you guys are getting a really good idea of what adults do when they go and vote. So good luck and have fun.